All right, here's a good question. We're dealing with a cos function, and I need to first rearrange it. So notice that this one doesn't have a bracket in front of the x, so I need to put a bracket in there. So what I need to do is I need to factor that 1/12. Let me write the equation down again. 8 cos 1/12 x minus pi over 4. So I want to make it look like this one. So there's just an x there and a bracket, and I have something factored out. So this will be 8 cos, and then I'm going to factor out a 1/12 out of this and this. So if I divide, I'll just do it small, 1/12 on this one, they cancel out, so I just have an x. And then I have to take this pi over 4 and divide it by 1 over 12. Well, I can't do that in my head. Let me do it over here. Pi over 4 divided by 1/12. Now, dividing fractions, the rule is change this to a times and flip that over. So then I'll have 12 pi over 4, which I can simplify to just 3 pi. So this will be 3 pi. Okay? And there's no number after that for a d value. So this is what you want to type in right there. So, and the nice thing about factoring out that 1/12 is this value here is my C value, or my phase shift. Phase shift. That's how far things are going to go to the left or to the right. So this question asks you for the amplitude. So the amplitude will be A, right? Amplitude will be the absolute value of A, which is this one, or just 8. Then they ask you for the period. The period is 2 pi divided by B. So it's 2 pi divided by B is this number, 1/12. Oh, I'm going to have to do the same thing as I did over here. I'll just go down. So 2 pi divided by 1/12 is the same as 2 pi times 12 over 1. So 2 times 12, that'll be 24 pi. So the period is going to be 24 pi. Okay, and then they ask us for, what else? The phase shift. So the phase shift is just simply going to be, once I have that factored out, this number right there. So it'll just be 3 pi. Notice I changed the sign there. If that would have been x plus 3 pi, then for the phase shift, I would have put in a minus 3 pi. All right, hopefully that helps you with that question.